Hello, my name is Stefan Jovanovic, and I'm the Digital Services Librarian here at Willard Library, and welcome to Apps, Tips, and Tricks. Over the next few weeks, we'll learn how to use some of Willard Library's popular digital services, which are free to use for any Willard Library cardholder. Today, I'll be going over the basics of how to install and borrow ebooks and audiobooks using the Libby app on your tablet or smartphone. Libby is a new app released by Overdrive. It has the same collection of titles as the Overdrive app and website. It's just a different and easier way to access the same digital library collection. Libby is compatible with Android and Apple devices. And I recommend if you have an Android or Apple device to use the Libby app over the Overdrive app to check out digital materials. What you will need to create an account is your Willard Library card number and PIN number. And that's all you'll need. If you don't know your PIN number, feel free to give us a call and we could confirm your PIN number over the phone. Otherwise, it's typically the last 4 digits of your phone number. Now let's get started. Let's first search for and install the Libby app from your device's app store. Depending on the device, it would either be the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Now that the app has been installed, let's open Libby and follow the prompts. I would recommend clicking I'll search for a library, then type Willard Library in the search bar. Be sure to select Midwest Collaborative for Library Services from the results below. Also make sure to choose Willard Library one more time and then type in your library card number and PIN number. The PIN is typically the last 4 digits of your phone number. Once your library card number has been saved, you can now browse Willard Library's digital collection. You may add additional family members' cards to your app as well. The further you scroll down, the more titles will appear. A book with audio at the bottom of the cover is an audiobook. A book without anything but its cover is an ebook. If you click the Shelf tab in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, it will display your Shelves page, which will display all your loans, holds, and tagged items. Quick note, you could check out up to 10 items at a time and place up to 15 holds at a time. Click the Library tab in the lower left-hand corner of your screen to go back to the catalog of ebooks and audiobooks. Click the search icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen to search for a title, author, or series. And here's a quick tip for when you're searching. As your search results pop up below, you will notice to the right it will list whether the result is a title of a book, name of a series, or name of an author. This definitely helps if you only know one part of a title, need to know the next book in a series, or only know the last name of an author. It can help narrow down your search. When you find a book that interests you, click on the book cover to view more information about the title, author, and more. When you find the book you want to read, select Borrow underneath the book cover. Now choose your lending period by clicking on the days text above the book cover and choose from 7, 14, or 21 days. Books return automatically after their lending period is over. You can extend your lending period for a digital title by renewing it. You'll see the Renew option for a title on your loans page 3 days before your lending period is over, only as long as there's no holds for the item. If the title has holds, you cannot renew it, but you can request it again by placing a hold on it. After you've selected your lending period, click Borrow again to confirm the checkout of the title. Click Open Book, then Libby this app to read your book on your device. Now this covers the basics of using the Libby app on your device. If you have any further questions or encounter any error messages while navigating through the app, feel free to comment below or email me at sjovanovich@willardlibrary.org. Enjoy!